Casilda call Patrick about buying
Hello,
a fan
hello,
because the time
hello.
hot.
Hi, Patrick. Hi, Patrick. I am doing very well. Blueberry is doing well. Jam Jam is doing well as usual. Yes. Yes. Everybody is doing very well. But Patrick, Patrick, me I tell you say the time hot and I book me up here use a fan because the fan mash up. Me I tell you say, I know me whole now. My body a fling out extra heat. Yes, because the body the woman pass, you know. So me I tell you say extra heat, and no rain not even a fall if you cool down the place. Me I tell you say me hot nowadays, so till not to mention the extra high low in the body here because for your gone me not seen anybody here. I'm telling you. Patrick. All right. You go and send money if you buy a fan. Remember, it's Jamaica, this and things is very expensive out here, you know, Patrick. So, the last time I checked out $200 for a fan out here. The good one, them. The good brand one, them. Because if me supposed to buy a AC, then and when me I go get money if you pay the light bill when me buy AC. Master tap talk, yeah? Because you don't know what you're saying. You think a thief light? I pay me have to pay for it, you know. Right now the light bill I come to 20,000, 25,000. Me don't even know how it happen. Every day me gonna work. Me must take it easy. Me can't take it easy now. Them your time me yeah man. Because me I tell you say Jamaica hard. So till the only good thing we have is the climate here. Yes, the climate. But away from the climate, nothing good is going on. Nothing. It's because I don't get my papers yet, make I don't gone. Ooh, I'm telling you. So, fun and joke aside, Patrick, you're getting yourself straight now that you can send for me and the children them. Because sometimes I feel like giving up on Jamaica sometime, you know. Even though my body whole and now and I can't take the cowl. But sometimes I still feel like giving up. I must relax. All right. Take it easy. You're going to send the money tomorrow to buy the fan. 300 US? All right, thank you. Bye.